Hey, it's Robert. I wanted to show what voiceover narration is all about. I have a few videos on it, but it's just people always ask questions, right? The narration fascinates me. What do you do? How do you make money? Well, let me show you just very unpolished. And here's my desktop. Here's what we're doing right now. We're narrating an audiobook. I'm about a third of the way through, and this will be a 5-hour book. What I do is I just have the words here, and I have my recording here.
Enter new markets.
Enter new markets. So we said enter new markets. Where did we leave off? Here we go. And we just click the record button and we say, or gain a competitive advantage through acquisition. Actually, I'm going to have my microphone a little closer, even though it makes the video look ugly. That's okay. Or gain a competitive advantage through acquisition. These buyers have a clear vision for how the acquired business will fit into their existing operations. They are looking for synergies. And that's what I do at the moment for $1,000. And it sometimes takes me 5 hours, 10 hours, but I just use this microphone and this software you're looking at, which the microphone was like $100. The software is free. It's called Audacity. And we narrate an audiobook for Audible. We read the words, put the different audio files in these tracks, export, process, and then do the exact clicks to get an existing Amazon author onto Audible. So that's one revenue stream for speaking. I also do podcasting, and I sometimes charge guests to do that and recycle the money that comes in into advertising. And then I'm also set up on Fiverr. So if you go to fiverr.com/Robert Plank, you can see that part of what I do. Well, I guess we have to do this in an incognito window. We did Fiverr Robert Plank. Fiverr is kind of a joke. People laugh at it. People do things for $5. But here's what it is. So I have completed 1,000 orders on Fiverr. And here is the narration gig. You click on this. And if someone and by the way, I'm super cheap pricing too. If someone has 500 words, which takes about 3 minutes, it's $5. And here's all my reviews. And someone just clicks on to order. They give me their script and I speak it out. So when I am on the seller side for Fiverr, here I am. I see my current orders. Here's this $5 order that came in. Oh, well, it's only $5. Yeah, but what if you had 5 or 10 of these per day? Or what if the $5 only took you a few minutes? So here's what I have to speak out for $5. It only takes me a couple of minutes. I'm fast at it. So what I do is I have my Audacity, and I go and I put in their username plus today's date, and I just speak it out. Simple, straightforward narrative with a little bit enthusiastic mood. Here we go. Discover mosquitoes, the buzziest and hungriest challenge ever. Place the first card in the center of the table and roll the die of the same color. I wish I had a cup of water. I'll just rest here. The mosquito is on your forehead. Who will squash it first? Make the gesture and slap the card on the table. So I'm going to pause the video because I don't want to make you sit through this whole tedium. The points are counted. And we move on to the second round. At the end of the third round, whoever has scored the most points wins. All right, so we recorded that. We just export that right there. We close down what we just recorded. We then say, I will process these files and let that do its thing. All right, so now that's like taking out the background noise, making it a little better. Click on deliver. And then we say, here's what I just recorded. And then I'll say deliver voiceover. Give that a moment to upload. And imagine if that was just $100, $500, $1,000 in a month doing that a couple of times a day, a few times a week, just making money from your voice, making money by goofing off, clicking around at the computer. And that's what it's all about. And I wanted to just give you a quick demo of how maybe not, I guess easy it could be, right? It's not like you're digging a ditch. So you use your microphone. I use a Samsung C01U. You use Audacity is what I use to record. I record audiobooks, I record voiceovers. I'm on Fiverr. I go and find authors on LinkedIn who are published authors who need audiobooks, and that's one of many ways to make money. The kids call it a side hustle by narrating using voiceovers. Robert Plank, like and subscribe, watch some more videos, and let me know if you like this, leave a comment. Bye for now.